What is up, everyone? Y'all gonna join me for another beautiful tour. Today we are at 9597 Prairie Dunes in beautiful Greystone subdivision, Denham Springs. Go check out this front porch real quick. Huge, plenty of room for rockers, whatever else you might want to put here. Got some French doors that actually lead to the primary bedroom right there. Gorgeous property. 3,600 square feet, 4-bed, 3.5 bath. Like I said, it is in Greystone subdivision, Denham Springs. Beautiful golf course community. Let's go inside and check it out. Love the updates in the kitchen. Chandeliers over the island. Beautiful, of course. Massive island. Love the colors too. Quartz counters. A lot of storage. Got the Sub-Zero style fridge and freezer built in. Just look like cabinets right there. Beautiful vent hood. Luxury range. What do y'all think of these colors? Let's go check these out real quick. Actually, that is just storage. So this is going to be fridge and freezer. Yeah, I love how blended in with the luxurious feel. Alright, so this dining area. Love the lighting here. Wood ceiling. It's set up against this kind of indoor-outdoor style patio. We'll go in there in a minute. We'll check out some of the spare bedrooms first. Living room. The area is just very, very, very open. Kitchen. French doors in the front. Going on over here. So this is spare bedroom number 1. French doors to the front. I'm gonna try to stay in the frame, but this thing doesn't follow me very well, so y'all bear with me with that. All the spinning and turning I gotta do. Got a little texture to the wall here. Bedroom number 2. And we got a guest bath right here. Love the hardware on the cabinets. Good colors. Updated. Like the glass cloth. Grass cloth walls, making a comeback. Something you used to see in the 70s, but seeing a whole lot more of these days. Alright, what do y'all think so far? Let me know in the comments. Any opinions y'all have, good or bad, share them with me. This is the primary bedroom. Beautiful coffered ceiling. Like I said, French doors to the front. No carpet so far in the house that I've seen. Huge primary bath too. Check this out. Storage. Same counters as the kitchen. Soaking tub. Marble style backsplash. Huge glass and tile shower. Multiple spray beds you can see right there on the wall. Normal enough high. Rain shower, waterfall style. Water closet next to it. One of the closed closets right here. Got a vanity area there with the mirror. Like I said, plenty of storage. Gorgeous lighting in here too. It's got an automatic light in here. So this is a laundry room and another closet that connects. So we'll get the light turned on in a second, but this is pretty cool too. Let's see, there's the light. So you can see all the storage you have in here. And if you blinked, you missed this part. Fun little sliding ladder. What y'all think about that? Let me know. So I can either go out through the primary bathroom and bedroom again, but I'm actually going to go out to the hallway door we have here. So I'll just show you where we're at. So this is back at the primary bedroom entrance, living room area. Back here on this hallway though, got a little extra storage closet right there. And another guest bath over here, just a half bath though. I think this wall decor, kind of like it. Looks neat. So I can check out the garage area. Not a lot of lighting. Let's see if we can get the lights turned on in here. Got one of the lights. There's some other lights somewhere, but I don't know where. The switch is. It's got some storage in here. Garage door that goes to the backyard. Door that goes to the backyard. And then double garage. And we got a bit more space. Over here, extra storage. And another garage door. So definitely big enough for a vehicle, especially a small vehicle with the cabinets, the racks that they put in here, but definitely a couple of golf carts, ATVs, you name it. Plenty can go in here. And another door. Same thing. Four-wheelers, side-by-sides, golf carts. Got even more that can fit in here. So you got 4 garage doors facing the road and then one that goes all the way to the backyard. If you need to do that. So just a quick gym and office area is what they're using it for. Got a fan in here, TV, mirror, exercise equipment, but obviously you can put a desk or something else in there. Look up here, got AC being pumped into here. So you're all good in this area. If you have any questions about the property, let me know, obviously. I'll finish up. Say finish up. Next, we got a little bit more to go. We got to go upstairs. Got to go out back. Show you what we're working with there. So let's go upstairs first. So I don't know what to call this area. I mean, it's a second living area. It's beautiful. It's indoors, but it feels outdoors. Lighting, colors. Obviously, they had a TV up here, extra storage, beer fridge. We love that. I love this wood beams they have here. Very, very rustic looking and feeling. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. So, big bonus room up here. Some built-ins. See how big it is. They have TV on that wall. And they have a bathroom closet over here. It's a nice bathroom. Tiled shower. Beautiful tile floors. Stone counters. Great full bath up here. And then a little extra upstairs closet space, and they have it set up and you could put a washer and dryer right here. So they obviously didn't have that in the house the way they were using it, but the options there. Gorgeous to see the wood trim up here. I like that. They didn't have to do that, but it's a nice touch. Then you got another bedroom or extra storage space up here. Looks like they were using it like a bedroom at times. This is neat. The doors just built right into the wall. then they got a closet on each side. I won't open the other one. It looks just like that one. I've seen a lot of upstairs rooms, but that one's unique for some reason. I think it's the drawers in the wall. All right, head downstairs. Show up. They have a little outdoor kitchen area. My apologies, it's a little bit messy. Not bad though. You still get the bill for it. So this is screened in. So like the temperature I have in here is the temperature that it is outside. I feel a little bit of breeze. Got an outdoor fireplace. Again, it's like inside over the dining area. Got that wood ceiling fan, grill, burner, griddle top, sink. You can head to the backyard right there, or go through the official back door. We'll do it right out here. All right, so you can kind of see the golf course up ahead. The backyard space. They had a well-used trampoline back here. Let's see. It's the garage and the bonus room and the bedroom up there. The rear elevation to the house. The backyard kitchen. That's it, guys. Thank y'all for watching this long. I'm going to close out with a little bit of drone views of the area. Y'all have a good one. Till next time.